Hello, my name is Nikhil kalal from group 317. Here are the topic of eye, how the vision we can see. The eye. The eye is an organ of sight and it is a shape as a slightly irregular hollow sphere. Various structure in the eye enable it to translate light into recognized image. Light is normally here the eye view. Among these there are the cornea, the lens and the retina which is present in the eye. Light. Here we can see the like structure of eye, how translate eye into images, how the eye form the images. First of all, light passes through the cornea. Here the cornea is like a dome shaped structure covering with iris, the middle part, and the color part of the eye. The cornea bends and reflect the light into the lens. The backside, which can we see at the retina, which present on the backside, where the it connect with the optic nerve and goes to the brain, where the image is formed. Here the light first passes through the cornea. Light transformed into light image into images. Here we can see how the light transform into the eye and they convert into the images. First of all, we can see the light goes to the cornea. A clear dome shape structure होता है. Here is a present and color covered dome structure which covering with the iris and the lens, color part of the eye. The cornea is bent or refract and the light into the lens. The light is then refracted into second time while passing through the lens. Finally focus on the retina, which is present on the back side. The retina is the first sensitive part of eye. Impulse travel the optic nerve to the occipital lobe of the brain, which then interrupts the image in the correct perspective, from which the light first transferred to the cornea, then lens, then goes to optic nerve. Via optic nerve, it goes to the brain. Brain in which in the brain they goes to the back side of the brain, where the occipital lobe of the brain is present, where the image is formed. Here we can see in the diagram how the optic nerve goes to the occipital lobe and where image is formed. Brain interrupts the image and light form. The shape of the eye is very important in keeping the thing we can see. If the shape of the eye changes, it affects the person vision. It's keep in focus. Just focus on the eye. Different shape of the eyes affect the vision. Agar if there is different type of vision, there is a different type of eye. It's a different type of vision. Normally, the eye light is prescribed focus into retina. At the location, it's called the focal point. Here we can, if near sight eye, here if the different type of eye present on the different people, they have different sides of eyes. Here and near sight eye is longer than front of the normal eye, causing light to the focus on the focal point. Here we can see just like the eye directly pass to the focal point which is present on the optic nerve, and this focal point difficult to see the things far away, which we can see if there is a defect in focal point, we can don't describe the far away things properly, we can see it. Another thing, if there is a damage, if the light goes to focal point, the focus point in the retina instead of direct, it means make it difficult to see object far away. Glasses with concave lens are used to cover night sight near sightedness. The concave lens focus light back onto the focal point. Here we can we wear the glass spheres, we can focus the images continuously. Far sight eye way, if any person have a difficulties in far sight, like things up close, to see things up close which does not see the long things, the convex lens is used, which get their passes to the lines to the cornea and goes to the focal point properly. Far sightedness occurred when the length of the eye is too short. A light is focused at the point behind the retina, making it too difficult to see object up at the close. A convex lens is used. We can see that the eye is completed. Here the all view of eye.